shout out to Jalali and Maria. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you can see me a lot better now. I've actually upgraded my soap making area. I upgraded to a new camera. Microsoft Live Cam, really nice, very clear picture as you can see, and I've got a separate microphone as well, and I'm really liking the way I can record now without using my phone. I can just have it set up here already, push a button, starts recording, goes to my NAS drive, perfect, I can edit it, so it really takes the excess unnecessary steps to, hook my phone up, position it right. It's in the perfect position, never have to touch it. Just one button and bam. So very happy about that. So today I'll be making my very popular Carnation bars. I'm actually out of stock now completely, and I'll tell you the story now since I've got you here. I've actually decided to change back to extra virgin olive oil in all my recipes. The only time I will use virgin olive oil is in my liquid soaps, especially the cleaning ones, and if I am to make a hybrid coconut olive bar soap for cleaning at 0% superfat, I'll use the virgin. Virgin olive oil is fantastic. It's just a fantastic oil all around. Great lather, increases the hardness of your bar, but the reason why I am going back to extra virgin, and my skin is really sensitive, so other people haven't really noticed it, but I noticed it. I noticed that the conditioning benefits just went down a little bit, and I like my skin to feel completely moisturized and clean when I get out of the shower, and I just found for my skin, virgin wasn't the best answer. In summer it's fine, but in winter it tends to, my skin just is a little dry. It doesn't feel as conditioned. Even though I've asked family members and customers if they've noticed the quality go down, they said no, but of course I am my own worst critic, and I just want to go back to the extra virgin Australian oil that I was using previously. So it's great because I found a farm actually outside of Campbelltown here in New South Wales. They harvest their olive oil from South Australia, and it's called Willow. So if you're interested in getting excellent quality extra virgin olive oil, I would suggest you go there. I think the 20 litre drum is $165 plus postage, so depending on where you are. I just find that a really great price, and I'd rather buy it from farmers directly and cut out the middleman completely, and all the money that I spend on all the drums I will be purchasing in future goes straight to Australian olive oil farmers. And of course that's not the only reason. Of course I love to support local, but the biggest reason I go with Australian olive oil is the quality. It is fantastic quality. It beats Italian olive oil, Spanish olive oil, even from where I come from. Like my parents, they come from Lebanon. We've got native olive trees there, so I equivalent Australian olive oil with Lebanese olive oil. They are both fantastic quality, but don't tell the other Lebanese I said this. I actually personally like Australian olive oil better. I find it to be just much more conditioning. I think it's got higher amounts of the antioxidant in it. I don't remember the name off by heart. Phenol. I'm not even going to bother pronouncing it. It's got that particular chemical that olive oil is known for, and Australia always ranks the highest. So that particular antioxidant is really good for free radicals when you consume it. Very good for heart health. It cleans your arteries. It's like red wine kind of. It behaves a little like red wine when it's good quality. So that's why I go for Australian extra virgin olive oil. And of course it's excellent for the skin. It's excellent for all your internals. It's absolutely excellent for your externals. So Okay, well, I won't comment on that last comment because, you know, for obvious reasons. Right, so, okay, enough bantering on, get back to what I'm actually making today. So here I've got my organic Carnation fragrance oil from Nature's Flavors, beautiful, absolutely love their oil-soluble fragrance oils. Of course, 1% cedarwood fix, natural vitamin E is in here. So I set that to the side, and it's going to be an equal, or actually a 4 to 2 batch split. So it's going to be mainly, well, actually no, it's going to be an equal batch split. What am I talking about? It's going to be an equal batch split. So 90 grams of yellow Australian clay and 84 grams of the white Australian clay with 6 grams of the lapis lazuli ultramarine blue, which I'm running very, very low on now, so I don't know what I'm going to do when it runs out. Oh gosh, yeah, I don't know. I think I might have to infuse an oil, maybe like olive or coconut oil, with what's that thing called? The blue powder. I can't think of it on the top of my head. The denim blue, what they use for jeans to colour blue. Gosh, I have a complete mind blank now. Now it's going to bother me that I can't remember the name. And then when I look at the name, I'm like, oh, that's it. Indigo powder. That's right. Indigo powder. So I might have to try and infuse maybe olive oil with a very concentrated indigo powder solution. So I might do maybe a 10%. I might weigh out like maybe 100 or 200 or maybe 200 grams of olive oil, and I might infuse maybe 50 grams of the indigo powder, and it's going to be very strong. But the reason why I want to do it very strong, so I have to do it once a year, and also all I need is a tablespoon of the oil in the batter and just mix it, and hopefully I get a nice blue from it. So I think that's the closest thing I'm going to get to it once I run out of this, because I have searched hours and hours, page upon page in Google, and I cannot find any ultramarine blue that's not synthetically produced now. So I wish when I bought that I went for the kilo bag, because the kilo bag I think was like was maybe $200. It's quite expensive, but I would have had lots more to work with. But that's okay, regardless, that's fine. That 100 gram bag I think cost me $50, so it is pricey, but I'm still willing to pay the price if I can find that same thing, but I can't find it. I just can't find it anywhere, unless I make it myself, which is definitely not going to happen. So anyway, it's going to be a cocoa olive recipe today. The standard 70% olive oil, Australian extra virgin olive oil, 30% organic coconut oil, and the Carnation, the colours we went over, and of course decorating the top with rose petals. All my floral bars, I tend to like to decorate with rose petals. I just think they go together quite nice. Oh, and I will point out, I really love these containers. They actually hold now. I was using these glass ones to weigh out my clays and stuff, but as you can see it's really small, so this actually holds up to a couple of 100 grams, well actually up to 500 grams of clays. Not that I'm going to use 500 grams, but like per batch, but it just makes it so much easier. I bought I think a pack of 3 for $2 from Kmart, and they are number 5 PP, which is good, so good sturdy plastic. And yeah, so I'm just going to wait for the coconut oil to melt. I've got my ultra concentrated oat milk in here, as you can see. Now you can probably see a lot better than my other camera. So I'll wait for everything to melt. I'll just pull this forward, and I'll break down the coconut oil just so it melts a little quicker. So yeah, let me know what you think of the new camera and the audio quality. Pretty sure there won't be any issues now. I know there's a couple of people in the past that said that they have trouble hearing me properly, or They have trouble seeing, so hopefully I've rectified both those issues in investing in some new equipment. So the live water is 35 degrees behind me. I actually made it in the morning, well ahead of time. So that's nice and cool now. So I'm just going to wait for this to cool down, and then I will throw in my olive oil, mix it all well, and then I'm going to make some double oat cocoa olive carnation bars.